Okay, continuing with our macro keywords, we're going to do a couple of answers today. We're going to talk about words that indicate answers, specifically two of them. We're going to have inami, space that out because it's two words. Oops. Inami, and this very often is just abbreviated to Aleph Nun, inami, which means if also. Okay, if also. And that's the literal translation, but it means or you can say, or if, or also there's this. So it's usually an alternative answer. The Gemarah said, we had our question like this, then we led into an answer, and now we're going to have our inami as answer number 2. Okay, and that's how inami works. Okay, inami, very important word. Okay. Alright, the next word is another one of these types of words, and it's iboyis ema. And iboyis ema is also very commonly abbreviated Aleph Beis Ayin Aleph, like so. And iboyis ema, we can break it down and see. We have E here. Let's do it like this. We have E, which means if. We have boyi, which means need, want, or ask. Okay. And we're going to be using this middle definition. And then we have, this is you, which in English I guess would come over here. And ema is say. And how you'd read it is iboyis ema. If you want, say. Another answer. It's just introducing another answer. So if you want to say. So same, follows the exact same thing as inami. We have a question, answer, iboyis ema, answer 2. Occasionally iboyis ema will be the first answer. It'll just say if you want to say the first answer, and you can have these, both of these can be chained together, so you can get inami this, inami this, inami this, or iboyis ema x, iboyis ema y, iboyis ema z. You can have multiple answers in a row. And it makes you wonder, well, if the Gemarah is answering, 3 or 4 answers for the same thing, why? Why don't you just have one answer? So sometimes it's because each answer has a certain problem with it, and not necessarily a flaw that the answer is wrong, but there's some aspect of the question the answer doesn't fulfill, and so the Gemarah will include multiple answers to fully flush out what's going on. So these are 2 really important words that indicate answers. The Gemarah is answering something. Okay, so when you see inami, either it could be abbreviated, or you could see iboyis ema abbreviated, both very commonly abbreviated, you'll know answer. Answer should go off in your head. In the previous video we had 3 words, questions. These indicate answers. When you see them, think answer or question. Unless you're in the middle of an Agadah story, these words will mean exactly what I'm telling you. Occasionally they're used in natural language in the stories. One Amor will say Bishlama, the other one, and he's wishing him well. He's saying good, you should be well. Bishlama, it should be good for you. And it doesn't mean what Bishlama means, which we'll get to in another video. So occasionally, if it's in a story the word will be different. But in regular Gemarah flow, these words have specific meanings and they don't mean anything else. They mean just this. So get to know the meaning, and it'll make it, you'll know exactly what to do when you encounter these words. Okay? Hatzlacha Rabbah, and keep steiging, and I'll see you in the next video.